I am the headmaster of MDP Model High School, Pakundia, Kishorganj. You are welcome to online class of MDP High School. Dear learners, I hope you have protected yourselves during worldwide coronavirus. Dear learners, uh, in last classes I discussed I discussed voiced most of the rules active to passive. Today I shall discuss remaining rules of active to passive. Dear learners, now I have written some examples. We ought to obey our parents. Dear learners, if any active voice, there are modal verbs such as shall, will, can, could, would, should, ought to, am going to, is going to, are going to, have to, has to, had to, etc. At the time of changing active to passive, at first you have to write the object of active voice as a subject plus related modal verb plus the first participle of principal verb plus by as a preposition plus the subject of active voice as a object. Uh, let's discuss the answer. What will be the answer, dear learners? In this sentence, our parents is object. Now you have to write as a subject. Our parents. Our parents. Plus, now we have to write modal verb. In this sentence, ought to is modal verb. Our parents is going to. Our parents are. Our parents are going to plus be plus the first participle of main verb obey. Obey. Our parents are going to obey by plus the objective form of subject us. Dear learners, have you understand the passive voice? The active was we ought to obey our parents. The passive will be our parents are going to be obeyed by us. Yes, let's discuss another example. He is going to open a bank account. He is going to open a bank account. Can anyone tell the answer? Yes. The answer will be an account. And a account. A bank account plus modal verb related modal verb. A bank account is going to plus be plus মূল ভার্বের first participle. The first participle of main verb. A bank account is going to be opened by him. I hope you have understood. If any active voice there are model verb shall, will, can, could, may, might, should, would, must, dare, need, am going to, is going to, are going to, have to, has to, had to, etc. Dear learners, let's discuss another rule. Now I have written here an example. I gave him a book. In this sentence, if any active voice there are double object, you may take any object as a subject. In this sentence, there are double object. Him is a object and a book is another object. In this two object, you may take any object as a subject. At first, I take one object, him, he, plus auxiliary verb according to tense. What will be an auxiliary verb in this passage? Can anyone tell? Yes, the auxiliary verb will be in this sentence was, because this sentence is first indefinite tense. So I have to select an auxiliary verb as was, he was, plus the participle form of main verb given, he was given, plus remaining object a book, he was given a book, plus by as a preposition. He was given a book by the objective form of subject I. He was given a book by me. Dear learners, let's discuss another example. An English teacher teaches us English. In this sentence also, there are two objects, us and English. Can anyone tell the answer? Can anyone tell what will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be English plus auxiliary verb according to tense. English is the participle form of main verb teaches, taught. English is taught. English is taught us plus remaining object us. English is taught us. Preposition as by as a preposition by an English teacher. By an English teacher. Dear learners, I hope if there are any active voice, there are double object, you may solve the problem. Dear learners, let's discuss another rule. Now I have written here an example. We make him captain. If any active voice there is factive object, you cannot take factive object as a subject. Dear learners, already I have discussed if any active voice there are there are two object. You may take any object, but যদি ডাবল অবজেক্টের ক্ষেত্রে দুটি অবজেক্ট থাকে, কিছু কিছু অবজেক্ট আছে বাক্যের অর্থ পূরণ করতে পারে না, তখন বাক্যের অর্থ পূরণ করার জন্য কি করতে হয়, অবজেক্টটা অন্য একটা অবজেক্টের উপর নির্ভর করতে হয়। সেই অবজেক্টটা হলো ফ্যাক্টিভ অবজেক্ট। এই সেন্টেন্সে captain is a factive object, so you will not take as a subject captain factive voice, so you have to take as a subject him, he plus auxiliary verb according to tense. This sentence is past tense, so you have to auxiliary verb as was. He was plus past participle form of main verb made. He was made captain by us. Dear learners, I hope you have understood. If there is active object in active voice, dear learners, let's discuss another rule. Dear learners, already I have discussed that any object you may take as a subject, but there are some object you can have those object as a subject. Can you tell what will be those objects you cannot take as a subject? Yes, if the object is reflexive pronoun. If the object is reflexive pronoun, you cannot take as a subject the reflexive pronouns. What will be the reflexive pronouns? Such as myself, herself, himself, ourselves, itself, themselves, etc. Dear learners, if there is reflexive pronoun as an object, you cannot take this as a subject. In this sentence, you have to take as a subject the subject of active voice, he, plus auxiliary verb according to tense, he was, plus past participle of main verb, he was killed by himself. Dear learners, let's discuss another rule. Now, I have written here 2 examples. One is rice sells cheap, another is honey tastes sweet. If any complex sentence, there is quasificative. If any complex sentence, if any active voice, there is quasificative verb. At the time of changing active to passive, at first you have to write as a subject the active voice of subject, rice, plus auxiliary verb according to tense, rice is, plus adjective. In this sentence, cheap is adjective, rice is cheap, plus when, plus the pronoun of subject in active voice. Rice is cheap when, what will be the pronoun? Rice. Eat, rice is cheap when eat, plus auxiliary verb according to tense, it is, plus participle form of main verb sold. Dear learners, rice sells chips. The answer will be rice is cheap when it is sold. Let's discuss another rule. Honey tastes sweet. Can anyone tell tell the answer? Yes, the answer will be honey tastes sweet. Honey is honey is honey is sweet plus when it is tested. Dear learners, honey is sweet when it is tested. Uh, I have completed to discuss the boys. I hope you will practice in your house in your free time. Thank you all.